What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this robot vacuum cleaner from ILIFE. This one is ILIFE T10s. I've been using this one for almost 15 days now, and yeah, I've been using it in my home, and yeah, I'm super satisfied. It's not only like satisfied, this one gives me a different type of feelings. Like, I feel like every product should be as good as ILIFE T10s. Like, once you buy it, after you have started using it, you need to forget about that you have bought a new product, because you can schedule when it works and you don't need to take care of anything. This one comes with a 2.5 liter dust bag, so I don't need to clean the robot vacuum cleaner manually. This robot vacuum cleaner automatically gets emptied, and actually for almost 2 months I don't even need to do anything. Yeah, I have been using it for 15 days and I'm waiting when the dust bag will actually get filled. Well, we will start from unboxing and then we will talk about every aspect of the product. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Let's start from unboxing. Well, as I've mentioned earlier, I have used this cleaner for almost 2 weeks, but yeah, it's good that I have recorded the unboxing for you in advance. After opening the top lid, you will get a proper manual. All the instructions are given clearly inside this manual. ILIFE has also provided an extra dust bag and a zip tie inside the box. Underneath all these, here comes our ILIFE T10s. It's good to see that ILIFE has provided 2 sets of side brushes, so if one set gets damaged, you can replace it with a new set. They have also provided an extra high efficiency filter, cleaning tool, mopping tool with an extra mopping cloth. Cool. Well, this one comes with a base station. This is an auto empty station. The dust bag is actually placed inside this station and all the dirts and dusts are automatically suctioned into this dust bag. There is a 2.5 liter dust bag inside the base station, so we don't need to manually clean the vacuum cleaner. We can get 60 days hands-free cleaning. When the dust box is full, we will get a reminder through the application, so we can change the dust bag. Compared to other robot vacuum cleaners, the T10s is equipped with some extra features and hardware. Like, it has edge cleaning sensor, unique side brush design, laser navigation technology, outstanding anti-collision, anti-winding and anti-stuck ability. T10s adopts advanced laser navigation technology. Its 360-degree and 4000 per second space scanning, combined with its up to 8-meter distance detection, can create real-time map more precisely and quickly, thus covering every corner of any house or room more efficiently. Well, a lot of people may ask, what is the difference between LDS Navigation and other navigation system? Okay, let me tell you clearly. T10s has LDS radar navigation that scans any room in real time and generates an accurate map. Yeah, there are other products which also generates maps, but the products in this segment actually can save up to 3 maps, while T10s can save up to 5 floor maps, so it can improve the cleaning efficiency without needing to create and delete map frequently. So that's an advantage. Well, like any other robot vacuum cleaners, this robot vacuum cleaner from ILIFE comes with its own application. There is an application called TUYA Smart. We need to download this application either through scanning the QR code given inside the user manual or by searching it on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. After the registration process, just log in and click on Add a Device or click on the plus on the top right corner. Then select Small Household Appliance, Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Wi-Fi Edition, and follow the on-screen instructions. It's very easy. It's a self-guided process, so you don't need to do anything. Just follow the guidelines and you will be able to connect your robot vacuum cleaner with the application. Well, to start the robot vacuum cleaner, press and hold the power button and home button on the main unit at the same time for 3 seconds. There will be a voice prompt and the Wi-Fi indicator will start to flash slowly.
Powering on. Network connecting. AP mode.
Then we will need to connect to the vacuum robot's network. After connecting successfully, return to the application, wait for a while and the application will get connected with your ILIFE T10s. Well, after we connect the robot with the application, I recommend that you recharge your ILIFE T10s before you start to use it. To recharge, just power it on by pressing the power button and connect the robot with the charging base. there will be a voice prompt confirming that it has started to getting charged. Well, there is one thing I always worry about, that's battery life. Like, how long can a robot vacuum cleaner run after getting fully charged? So T10s comes with a 3200 mAh battery. I don't think we need to worry about running out of battery because that's really a very big number. After one single charge, this robot vacuum cleaner, I mean ILIFE T10s, can go for 150 minutes. 150 minutes means it can clean almost 150 meters square. That's a very big space. If you actually worry about that 150 meters square is not enough, this one actually has another option. Like, even if it cannot finish the cleaning work with a single charge, then there is a function which calls breakpoint cleaning. Like, it will stop cleaning at a point and then it will get back to its base station. It will get charged fully enough and then will go back to the place where it has stopped, and then it will finish its cleaning task. So that's really a very convenient thing. You don't need to worry about anything actually. And when it gets back to its base station, the robot vacuum cleaner gets totally emptied automatically. So we don't need to use our hand, and yeah, most of the time with other robot vacuum cleaners which doesn't come with this function, I feel a bit, I have to use my hand to clean those dirt and dusts. But now I am worry free. It's more healthy and level of sanitization is very high. Okay, we have started talking about the battery life and charging. There are actually two modes of charging, like automatic mode and manual mode. Automatic mode is, you can understand, every time it finishes cleaning, then it will get back to the station and it will start getting charged. But there is another option like manual mode. When it's not working, in pause state, just press the home key to start recharging or use the application to start recharging. Well, we have talked a lot about a lot of features, Outlook appearance, and a lot of things like battery life, this and that. But the most important part is cleaning system. How well is the cleaning system of this ILIFE T10s? This one comes with intelligent cleaning system. And there is one thing that we can choose. We can actually choose freely whether we want vacuum cleaning, mopping, or vacuum cleaning plus mopping. So there are three options. We can select any of those three options depending on our requirements. And yeah, this one comes with a 3-degree adjustable water volume, and that is flexible to different kinds of floors. Like in my home, I have three different kinds of floors. Like, I have marble floor in my dining room, I have wooden floor in my living room, I have carpets in my bedrooms and in my work areas in my study. So yeah, there are already three different type of floors I have. I even have two different type of carpets. So there are a lot of variations. It's really great to see that this machine actually performs on all different type of floors. There is another thing, that the robot will complete cleaning of each area one by filling along the Z shape beside the wall. It will start beside the wall and it will go through a Z shape. Some people may also call it S shape. Also, this robot comes with a Y cleaning path with a unique left and right mopping motion. This actually increases efficiency while covering a very large area of a whole home. Yeah, T10s comes with 4 different suction powers, 4 different vacuum modes: Eco, Standard, Strong, and Super Strong. When we select Eco, it's 1200 Pascal. If we select Standard, it's 1800 Pascal. And if you select Strong, it will use 2500 Pascal, which is already very good enough. But it also has Super Strong. It will go for 3000 Pascal. That's like an overkill. Well, this one also has this auto carpet detection thing. So whenever it detects that there is a carpet which needs more strong vacuum cleaning, it will just increase its vacuum power by itself automatically. You don't have to do anything. I have actually used and tested many other vacuum cleaners, and when a vacuum cleaner uses 3000 Pascal super suction power, the vacuum cleaner can pick up sticky dirt, dust, and various pet hairs on carpet and floor, while the noise won't go beyond 65 decibel. Well, at the beginning, I've mentioned that after I have bought this iLife T10s, I have forgotten about this product. Why? Have I not been using it? Actually, I've been using it, but this one works discreetly because this one comes with a very nice application, and this one is also compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa voice control. We can just do "Hi Alexa" and then whatever command we wanna give, or "Hey Google" or "Okay Google," and then whatever command we wanna give. Personally, I don't use voice command, but if you like it, if you wanna have this feature, then this iLife T10s comes with the feature. The feature I use and love is we actually have the option to select and decide when and where to clean. I can set a scheduled cleaning task. Like whenever I'm not in home, whenever my son is not in home, iLife T10s starts working. So I have never seen that this one is working, and I have never seen my room is untidy or dirty. Yeah, the thing is very simple. We set a schedule, and based on its schedule, the machine will automatically start to clean at the designated time and automatically return to the charging base after it has finished cleaning. Especially, we also can set up no-go zones to prevent it from cleaning areas that we actually don't want to clean or we don't want to mess up with. Like in my study, I have a place where I keep a lot of things that I don't want to move around. I know it's a bit dirty, it's generating a bit of a dust, but I want to manually clean the place. I have selected a no-go zone for that place. So that's really a great thing. We can select, you can go here, cannot go here. It's your place to clean, it's not your place to clean. This one comes with D&D mode, and we can actually modify the time of this D&D mode on the application. Yeah, it actually comes with 10 to 6. That's the default timing, but we can modify it based on our requirements. Also, as this one cleans the floors in a sequential mode, so you will never feel like, oh, this part is dirty, that part is clean. It's always clean. It's not gonna miss a single space on your floor. I'm super satisfied. Yeah, that's it. That's all about this iLife T10s. Kudos to iLife. Thanks to T10s. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. I have left a link in the description box below. Go ahead, check that. But before that, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel. There is an international smartphone giveaway going on this channel. If you want to know more about this giveaway, check the community tab of the channel. And if you haven't joined our Telegram group, go ahead, join the Telegram group to know more about the giveaway and about the other videos of this channel. Oh yeah, iLife has a slogan. iLife, refresh your life.